You ever feel like you're stuck in a chrysalis, aching to unfurl wings you didn't know you had? There's a titan within you, restless, waiting for its moment. Think of the tiny seed pushing through concrete. It doesn't know why. It just knows it must grow, must transform, must find the light. Maybe you've faced setbacks, felt the weight of past failures crushing your spirit, whispering that you're not enough. But every single struggle, every fall, is just the soil preparing you for a deeper root, a stronger ascent. Just like the mountain after a landslide, it rebuilds, stronger. What if this very moment right now is the turning point you've been waiting for, the ignition key to your radical rebirth? Remember when the caterpillar melts into liquid inside its cocoon? It's not destruction. It's a complete, messy, terrifying, rare creation. You are that liquid. You don't need all the answers, just the courage to begin the uncomfortable process, to embrace the beautiful chaos of becoming. So, shed that old skin, one brave decision at a time. Take one small, audacious step today towards the person you're destined to be. Because your transformation isn't just for you. It's a beacon, a living testament to what's possible, inspiring every soul watching your journey. Break free from the old narrative. Become the masterpiece you were always meant to be. The world is waiting for your wings.